Operations management is critical in every industry and healthcare is no exception. At its core, operation management is the planning, organizing and supervising of internal process to keep an organization running smoothly. In the ever-changing healthcare industry, effective operations management is not an option but a necessity. Without it, it's difficult for a hospital, residential facility, nursing home, doctor's office or home healthcare organization is provide the quality care service that improve and save lives. Operation management in healthcare refers to overseeing the day-to-day practices of healthcare facility that impact the client experience and organizational goals. These practices are typically broken down into three components, which is administrative, financial, and legal. In administrative tasks may include keeping detailed records of medical and office supplies, scheduling employees, responding to questions from staff and customers, and updating patient records. For legal practices usually revolve around compliance and credentialing. Essentially, those who work in healthcare operations management focus on overseeing the facility and staff functions which play a vital role in the delivery of care. Do you know the benefits of successful healthcare operations? There are a number of benefits to successful healthcare operations management, including better client experience. Customers are more informed and have higher expectations for healthcare service than ever. Offering excellent customer service is vital for any business, but it's especially important in healthcare, where every interaction can have significant consequences. Operational excellence requires giving employees the proper tools to be confident and successful in customer interactions, so they will be prepared to deliver high quality care. Improve bottom line and competitive edge by automating or simplifying recurring tasks, identifying points in the administration process that require manual work like calling to concerned patient appointment, and identify a simpler, more automated and less error-prone method like an automated appointment reminder system. This frees up time for tasks that are more important to the customer and the bottom line. Also, by clarifying roles, sometimes tasks are delayed or missed because no one knows who is responsible. Find these trouble areas, reset expectations, and clarify roles to improve operations and increase employee productivity. Identifying patient care trends. By collecting and reviewing patient satisfaction data and employee engagement data, you can take meaningful action in underperforming areas. If patients are waiting too long for appointments, find ways to optimize the scheduling and booking process. If employees are frustrated by long hours, look at better opportunities to better manage the schedule or bring in qualified temporary workers. Now, I will share you the best practices we can use to improve operation management in healthcare. There are several ways to improve healthcare operations management for better patient outcomes and a positive employee experience. And first of all is by collecting and leverage the right data. Data help healthcare leaders make informed decisions that steer the organization towards success and prepare it for crisis. The specifics of your healthcare services, business goals, and patient base will determine the ideal data you want to gather and use to your advantage. Depending on these factors, you may include services provided, billable time, mileage, and travel reimbursement for mobile workers and patient-reported wellness. But it can be a real hassle to leverage the right data unless you have the right tools, and once you've captured that data, the disparate system in which life may make it difficult to connect and analyze in a meaningful way. Next practice is automate wherever possible. Manual processes are costly and time-consuming, so automotive is a must for operational efficiency. It's well worth your time and money to research and invest in tools that reduce or even completely eliminate the manual processes that are slowing your operations team down. Automate scheduling, dispatching, and other recurring tasks when possible, as doing so will allow you to make better use of your resources and increase operational efficiency. You'll find that when you automate your processes, your team will be able to focus on other big picture tasks that help your organization grow. Thirdly is enable better communication. Effective communication among caregivers, patients, and healthcare providers is the key to improve patient outcomes. After all, without details tend to fall through the cracks, customers are left dissatisfied, and staff turnover increases. Traditional methods for sharing information like phone calls, emails, and text messages are disjointed and don't provide the real-time access required to remain prepared. Time is of the essence for any business, but especially so in healthcare environments. A seamless, easy-to-use communication tool is more important than ever. With the right technology in place, your deskless and desk-based workers can communicate with each other and customers and access key details all in one centralized place. Look for a solution that offers not only automated notifications of schedule changes, but also built-in communication features for in-the-moment issues. Lastly, the practices that you must adopt is integrate with existing systems. Chances are your healthcare organization uses multiple systems for tasks like scheduling, payroll, human resource, and claims. If these systems aren't connected, you have to keep track of your various sources of truth, which takes more time and introduce more error in the process. To increase efficiency and scale up the business, look for tools that integrate with your principal systems and support your end-to-end workflows. When data is available and accurate across a completely unified tech stack, you'll be able to maintain a seamless customer and employee experience. You'll also be able to use that data to identify potential areas of your opportunity within your operations to improve service delivery. To sum up all my rant on practices to improve in operation management, no matter your size or scope, operations management can make it or break it your healthcare organization. If you prioritize successful healthcare operations, you'll position your practice for growth and success. On the contrary, if you put it on the back burner, it'll be difficult to meet your goals. That's all from me.